I love that you like to talk.
Yeah.
I like to, it's, I didn't mean it in a bad way.
Goodness.
He likes to talk. Like,
hey, speaking of talking, I need to talk. We got a
that's
video,
like
video guy
actually
here.
a compliment. Like he likes to talk.
Thank
so
you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm the butt of the joke. All right, so I just wanted to get this off my chest because I thought it would be valuable to other people, right? I don't know who else is really gonna care about it or not, but bottom line, with this whole attic retrofit, we had to think about insulation. That was a big part of it. And at first I was like, well, you know what? Let's just put it on the outside. That's gonna be so smart. That's gonna be so conducive of building science ideals and putting the insulation on the outside. Then
what do you mean insulation on the outside?
So I was gonna put it on top of this roof deck.
Okay.
And we were gonna insulate from there, just like we
but
did.
underneath where the metal part's going.
Correct.
But
Just like we did Hyde Park
okay.
Revival. Like Hyde Park Revival, we came with 4 inches of polyisosanurate insulation, 2-inch layers staggered on top of the roof, and then we put the roof on, right?
Okay.
So that's what I thought we should do here. And then, man, I crunched the numbers on that 4 inches of polyisosanurate, and it was so stinking expensive. I mean, I don't remember off the top of my head, but I feel like it was somewhere between 10 and 20 grand. Like it was a lot of money. And I just really couldn't justify it. So if we were doing new construction, then we totally, again, in terms of like mastering efficiency and process, we could have put it on in conjunction with the whole house, and it was the first time and everything, and it would have actually made sense and been really cool. But in this case, we already had all our roof decking and stuff. So the ease of not having to insulate from within was not overwhelming enough to justify paying between 10 and 20 grand for all that polyisosanurate to put on the roof, when in reality, insulating from within is gonna be much more cost effective. And I've broken down, and I think I'm gonna do open cell spray foam. Obviously, it's a conversation for us to have, but I'm also still investigating some sort of blown in options. But I guess the point of all this is, if you're ripping your roof off, really look into doing a lifelong roof. In this case, metal is going to qualify as that. It could be slate, it could be clay tile,
cement.
Yeah, anything
like
that's
tiles.
Right, anything that's pretty much not asphalt shingles is typically going to qualify as that. So look at doing that, because this roof was probably ripped off 2 or 3 times before we got to this one, and this roof will probably never be ripped off this house again. So really look into doing that. Now, when you get to the insulation strategy, what I found was the polyisosanurate on top was not the cost-effective approach when we already have existing roof decking. So that means you're gonna insulate from within when you create this sealed attic space. So that's
so that means ripping out all the pink stuff that's in there and doing something to replace the pink stuff.
Yeah, but instead of the ceiling line now, we're going up on the roof line with it, right? So at the end of the day, that's what I came away with, and that was my big takeaway. And I hope that helps some of y'all out there.